Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. अरसा हो गया ये लफ्ज़ बोलते हुए, but hey, we're back. So today I'm going to share with you my honest skincare routine, and before that let me tell you I just washed my face and I landed today. I had been traveling, so my skin is acting out a lot. I did have a proper skincare routine and my skin was actually glowing, but now it has started acting up, so I have pimples here and there, like mostly whiteheads here and there, but it's okay. I'm still going to share my honest skincare routine. Okay, so the first thing that I do after washing my face is let it air dry, because I try not to use I try not to pat it with a towel, so I mostly let it air dry. Then I use gulab gel, which is your rose water. I make sure that I wet my face again properly with gulab gel. This is like from Forest Essentials, only because my sister is sponsoring. Otherwise you can also use the gulab gel, gulab barika, so even that is nice. Any rose water is fine, but I make sure that this is the first step that I do. While I wait for my face to air dry, let me give you a little knowledge about the skin, because I think it's very essential to know when you set up a skincare routine. It's very essential to know what your skin type is. A lot of marketing gimmicks, you fall for all these marketing gimmicks where they sell a certain product. They just say that हाँ इससे pimple जाएगा, but then they don't tell you that अच्छा ये sensitive skin के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, or this is not fit for a dry skin. So I think the basic thing before you start with any skincare routine is to know your skin type. So there are 5 types of skin broadly. A is your dry skin. When you say dry skin, you will obviously see flecks. Second is sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is when you will know that you have a sensitive skin when you put something and there's reaction, there's redness. Third is your oily skin, so mostly the T-zone will be super oily and you will feel your activated sweat glands all the damn time. Fourth is combination skin type, which is a combination of both oily and dry, so mostly everywhere in your face would be dry except the T-zone, which is gonna be oily. Fifth type is normal skin, which we all aspire to have. So before you set up a skincare routine for yourself, it's highly essential that you also analyze and assess the kind of skin type that you have. So mine is a combination skin type, so mostly it's dry, and on the T-zone it's mostly oily, so I mostly go for water-based products. So my first step was apply rose mist, and then the next step in your skincare routine should be using a toner or an essence. So I use this essence, which is O3's Snail Mucin. A lot of people have also told me that Snail Mucin does not suit their skin type, but for me, personally for me, this really works and I can see visible changes in my skin, so that's why I use the Snail Mucin. So let's go. Just 1 drop of it. Also, whenever you're applying products, I think it's very essential that you are slow with it and not rigorously rub your face with the products that you put. That's done. The next thing that I do, honestly, that you'll get a lot of beauty influencers or actual dermats who will suggest you a certain step-by-step procedure of what you should apply, but this is what works for me. So I'm no way giving you a skincare routine. In the beginning itself, I told you that it's very essential to assess the skin type, then see products that suit your skin. So this is me forming a skincare routine for myself. So if it suits you, this is something that you can adapt. The products that I've been using, which again I have mentioned, I'll mention it again in the description. So the next thing that I do, and personally this is my favorite, like if one skincare product that I cannot stay without is this, my aloe vera gel. I think nothing in the world has proved beneficial to my skin and hair also but aloe vera gel. This is like my go-to thing. Even if I don't have anything, don't give me anything, no face wash, no nothing, just water and aloe vera gel, I will be fine with it. So the next thing of course is aloe vera gel. That's what I put. For me, ever since I can remember, when I used to be in college, I never used to do any skincare. I was very lazy. Like, thanks to genetics that I was blessed with good skin, but my sedentary lifestyle kind of screwed it up completely for me. So I used to get a lot of zits, and then I stopped giving a fuck about my skin because I was like, anyway, zits aayenge hi, so what to do? But now that I have been home for a while and I see my sister taking utmost care of our skin, and also I realized that I totally screwed up genetics, so I was like, it's time for me to take care of my skin a little bit. So yeah, but time and again the only product that I keep using and reusing is only aloe vera gel, and it really works wonders for my skin. ऐसा नहीं है कि there is a specific brand with just aloe vera gel I use, but Mamaearth has never disappointed me. I've been using Patanjali also, but this is my product, Mamaearth. I will never leave my house without this. That's done. Now after that is your serum application. Again, serum also has water based and oil based serum, so depending on your skin type you should use. Now I have been using a lot of products also because of availability and not because of my skin or whatever, but over the couple of months I have assessed my skin and I have really seen what products really works for me and don't. And I think I am sticking to Minimalist. Like, Minimalist is one brand which has sort of worked wonders for me. I mean, I won't say I've seen drastic changes, but it suits my skin type. So I think after a lot of permutations and combinations, I have come out with only these products, and these are my go-to products. Like, I'm not changing my skincare routine unless like I go to a proper dermat and have a proper assessment. Until then, until I have the money to do all of that, these are my go-to products. So I've been using only Minimalist. I use Minimalist face wash, then not face wash, sorry, cleanser. There's a difference between fresh face wash and cleanser also. So I use Minimalist cleanser, then serum and sunscreen also. So yeah, this really suits me. So the next step after all of this is serum, which is only 3 drops that you apply. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. Now you gently blend it in your face. Like I said, the key is to be very gentle with your skin. I used to be someone who'd be like done. So nahi yaar, take it slow. Skincare after all. Now I don't know, because of the lighting you are not able to see certain pigmentations that I have, because idhar se to I really feel like I have good skin, but no, trust me, I don't. I have a lot of pores, visible nahi matlab, but if you come closer you'll see I have a lot of pores, and there are like visible pigmentations here and here, and this happened because these are acne marks. I have this very annoying habit of popping my pimples, so usi ke wajah se ye sab aaya hai. I never had this before, but this has happened recently. And also, pimple patches do not work for me. I tried them. I have tried them uselessly for like 3-4 times, and it has never worked for me. So that is something that does not. These spot-ons, patches, these do not work for me at all. I have been popping my pimples ever since I can remember, but this pigmentation has only occurred because of those patches. Patches has like ruined my skin, so I threw the packet. I was so dissatisfied with them. Like, I wanted to go to the customer care or whatever they have, and I'll like throw that thing on their face, because I've been popping pimples as long as I can remember, but I've never had pigmentations. But those patches gave me this, so my only concern is to take care of my skin and naturally, try to remove all these pigments. Anyways, after you have put the serum, you should apply a moisturizer, because that's how the serum sips deeper into your skin. Okay, so for moisturizer, now actually, to be really honest, I'm still very lazy, and I'm trying to get used to the whole skincare procedure, because it literally takes you like 10 to 15 minutes of dedication to do the whole procedure. I am currently using this moisturizer by Lakme. See, again, for moisturizer also, because of my skin type, I really have to go for water-based products. So this is something that I picked up on my way to the airport. So like, but I've been using it since then, and it really complements my skin, because itna sara product lagane ke baad you feel like your skin is getting very heavy, right? You don't want to put anything, because iske baad sunscreen bhi lagana hai bhai. But this moisturizer is like light as fuck. Like, it's very light on your skin. I'll put it on the description box, but like, this is very 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 light on your skin, and मैं ज़्यादा लगाती भी नहीं, a little bit, because this entire area is dry and only this is oily, so I make sure that forehead में उतना लगाऊँ ही नहीं. It's just near the malar area. I'll be like, I'll just put it very little, and this is very light on the face. Like, honestly, after all the serum and essence and everything, my skin feels heavy, but the moment I put this, my skin feels super light. So this is also a product that I like love. I sort of quit using Lakme products for a while, and I completely switched to Minimalist and other products, but M-Caffeine also I used to use for a while. But now that I have been trying to assess the skin type that I have, and I'm like really trying to be dedicated with only a certain product and not buy products, because there's a certain non-availability of the product that I want. I'm trying to be very committed to it. So I've been doing the skincare for like ever since December, I think, properly. So uske baad se I think I don't know if there's visible changes, because I'm like very I get very ogged out when I have pimples and all, and I never sort of documented that to show it before and after, because I get very impatient, like nahi pimple ko hatana hai types. So I wish I had a before and after, and I could tell you the visible difference, but trust me, the skin feels healthier is what I would say. So yeah, this is the entire breakdown of my skincare routine. Iske baad, because now I'm not going outside, I won't put sunscreen, but you're supposed to put sunscreen. Mine is SPF 50. Usually you're advised to apply SPF 50 and above, because sun is the ultimate evil dude, so you really need to take care of your sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. Kuch bhi nahi laga. You can probably skip the moisturizer part, but sunscreen is a must. You really have to put. And so yeah, that's all. Before I end this video, I just want to tell you one thing, which I already said in the beginning, that this is not me giving you a plan, or this is not me curating your skincare routine. No, all I'm trying to tell you is assess your skin based on the knowledge that I gave you, that this is what your skin type is. And once you know this is your skin type, research on the type of products that you need. Like I said, if your skin is a combination type, then you have to go for water-based solutions. If you have oily skin, then you have to go for water-based solutions, and if you have absolutely dry skin, then you go for oily products. So these are the things that you really need to do your homework and then choose a skin care routine for yourself. Because market mein kuch bhi they'll try to sell, they won't give you a history of kya chal raha hai, kya nahi chal raha hai. And trust me, I've fallen for all these marketing gimmicks until I was like, nahi, I will assess my own skin. So yeah, and I'm literally sharing you this very basic information, which with or without a course you really need to know to curate your own skincare routine. So know your skin type, and you should know what suits you. Everyone's skin is unique, just as unique as the person you are. So yeah, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was very excited to make this video because why not? Why not? Okay, then until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what other type of content you would want to see. If not, whatever, just subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Namaste.